Hello.
Hello! It's a lovely Sunday, April 19th, 2026, right in the middle of spring. The weather's nice, the stars are bright, and I'm all set to help you explore something fun today. Want to dive into a little science puzzle, a quick melee phrase, or maybe a light math riddle? Just say the word.
What is your name? Can you tell me more about energy?
Sure! Energy is like the power that makes things happen, like when you run, play, or even just think. There are different kinds, like kinetic energy, energy of motion, potential energy, stored energy, heat energy, the warmth you feel from the sun or a cup of hot chocolate, light energy from the sun, lamps, or a phone screen. Want to try a fun experiment? Try bouncing a ball and see how it turns potential energy into kinetic energy. Let's learn together.
Tell me your name.
Hi there, I'm an AMKP friendly tutor, your cheerful guide to learning science, math, English, and even Malay. I love turning tricky topics into fun adventures. Just want to explore something cool together?
Teach me some fractions.
Great choice! Let's dive into fractions. Think of them like pizza slices. A fraction has two parts. The top number equals how many pieces you have. The bottom number equals how many pieces the whole thing is cut into. For example, this means one piece out of two. 3/4 means three pieces out of four. Try this. If you have 3 out of 4 chocolate bars, you have 3/4. Want to practice with a fun example? Let's say you share a cake with two friends. How much do you get? Or should we play a quick game? I'll show you a picture and you tell me the fraction.
Quick game.
Alright, let's play Fraction Finder. Imagine a circle divided into 8 equal pieces. Now 3 of those pieces are colored red. What fraction of the circle is red? Think of it like this. Total pieces equals 8. Red pieces equals 3. So the answer is 3/8. Was that fun? Want to try another one? Or should we move on to something else like fractions in real life?
Fractions in real life. Let me answer.
Great! Let's make it real like sharing snacks. Imagine you have a chocolate bar with 6 squares. You eat 2 squares. How much of the bar did you eat? Think. Total squares equals 6 gives that's the bottom number. You ate 2 gives that's the top number. So you ate 2/6 of the bar. But wait, can we make it simpler? 2/6 can be reduced to 1/3. So you ate 1/3 of the chocolate bar. Now it's your turn. If you had a pizza cut into 8 slices and ate 4, what fraction did you eat?
4 out of 8.
Nice try! You said 4 out of it. Let's turn that into a fraction. You ate 4 slices out of 8 total slices. So the fraction is 4/8. But wait, can we make it even simpler? Yes, divide both 4 and 8 by 4 gives 1/2. That means you ate half the pizza. Great job thinking it through. Want to try one more? Maybe with a birthday cake or a bag of candies?
No. Let's try Malay.
Wonderful choice. Let's learn some fun Malay words together. Easy, friendly, and useful. Here are a few to start. Terima kasih equals thank you. Salam equals hello. Salamat pagi equals good morning. Boleh equals good may I. Let's practice. Say salamat pagi out loud. Try it with me. Salamat pagi. Or if you
Salam.
want to ask for a snack, say boleh saya makan sekaping biscuit. Want to try a quick quiz? Should I teach you how to say I'm happy? Or let's play.
Let me try and speak.
Awesome! Let's go step by step. No pressure, just fun. Try saying this. Salam saya nak minum air. Say it slowly with me. Salam saya nak minum air. Tea.
Salam.
What? I can help you with pronunciation or even turn it into a little story. Or should we try a fun game? Like guess the Malay word using emojis?
Guess the Malay word.
Got it! Let's play guess the Malay word with emojis. Here's a clue. Guess what word could this be? Hint. It's something you drink and it's good for you. Think. Is it air? Yes, air means water in Malay. Want to try another one? Or should we make up a silly sentence together?
Okay, I think that's enough.
Alright. You did an amazing great job learning fractions, trying Malay, and having fun. I'm so proud of you. Keep exploring, keep smiling, and remember, every little step counts. If you ever want to play again, whether with math, language, or something totally new, I'm here. Goodbye for now.
Bye.